Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my realistic people, today I want to relate this to each and every one of us. This is Pastor Ebuka's from Zion Ministry. It happens that within this week, he made a revolution like saying there is one Uwazurike that is ill. Though he did not mention another name, he only mentioned Wazuriki. And believe me, a lot of people take it to this Wazuriki. This issue has been making wave all over social media, but we have to listen to the message of Pastor Ebuka. Then we will also listen to Wazuriki. And as I said before, we don't really know if he is speaking to this particular Reph Wazurike. If it's another Wazurike, we don't really know yet because Pastor Ebuka has not come to really clear the air that it's not this Wazurike. But you know, a lot of people, they will just take content out of everything. They call out this Wazurike, and Wazurike really come out to answer the call that he is okay and so many others. So I will release the video for you to watch and I'll be right back.
It's not receiving any life at all. Wazurike Akatu Sokotoshenda. Well recognized in your town, a title man like you. As I'm talking right now, your one side of body is dead. The family knows that it's not ordinary. Everybody says you is not ordinary. Everybody around you is complaining that it's not ordinary. But you no one to hold responsible. But tonight, the Lord has remembered this family. Amen. It may be one person watching from that family. It could be one nephew watching. Prophecy fire can go to different directions. So far, there is a point of contact. I don't know this man who come was it. Is still hidden. Many people don't know. But the few that knows are still telling you. Right now, the Lord said that you prophesy your healing. Amen. The Lord said that from now that you should confess your sins because you have really tormented one or two people. I don't know whom you are. And the Lord is telling me to tell you to confess your sins and amend your way. This man called Wazurike, I don't know whom you are. You are having stroke already. Make peace with one or two people. You offended. You offended. Unless it will be obvious one day and you will die. It's still hidden. It's still hidden now. It's still hidden. I don't know whom you are. It will be obvious and it will kill you. But confess your sins and amend your way and you will be healed. Even from this night, the healing power of God will begin to touch you. Amen. Because his word is like hammer and the fire that shatter the rocks into pieces. Immediately it's released, there will be results. Amen. It's a prophecy with instant solution. I don't know whom you are, Wazurike, but if dry bones can come back to life, if dry bones came back to life in Ezekiel 37.
Good evening, everybody. Since last night, around 12 a.m., people have been calling me. Someone was saying something nasty about me, that I was sick, this and that. I didn't really believe in that. I kept mute at it. But this evening, friends started calling me, saying that in the social media, people are saying I'm sick, I have stroke, I'm in the hospital, and all sorts of things. I said, okay, fine. Let me do a video to debunk their lies. Today is Friday, 24th of March, 2023. This is not for Wazurike live. This is my living room. I'm not in the hospital. I'm not sick. I don't have any stroke. I don't have any stroke-related issue. The last I checked, last Sunday, my BP was 110/78. My sugar level was 84. I check my status every Sunday. So, I check my BP every Sunday. So there's nothing, for a very long time I've not been sick. I don't know where the guy who calls himself man of God or so picked the news that Wazurike is sick, Wazurike is not well, Wazurike will soon die. I'm not having any stroke. Let me remove my shirt. This is me. Come and challenge my picture out of you. I'm not sick. Do I look like a sick person? Look at my legs. Wazurike is not sick. I can't be sick. I take care of myself. Some people will say, you are not the only Wazurike in the, you are not the only person answering Wazurike. There are two Wazurikes in the whole world. Reph, Wazurike, and the rest. So if you say Wazurike, everybody will think it's Reph, Wazurike. So that's why I'm doing this video, to say, to debunk the nonsensical news that Wazurike is sick. I'm not sick. I know you missed me. After a long time, I've not been talking. Because he said, you people wanted to be the president of Nigeria. Because I came up to say, somebody who came to my house and begged me to support him to be president. I said, well, I believe in the youth taking over governance. A governor at the age of 46. Yes. I said, I support you. You people came on me. Wazurike is this, your brother wants to be president, blah, blah, blah. I said, no Igbo man will be the president of Nigeria. He said, no, you must be president. Most of you left the Biafra struggle and jumped into the ship of Nigeria president. I said, okay, fine. The bone does not want the contention. I took the sideline. Be the president of Nigeria, let me see. Today, are you president? Are you president? The elections have come and gone. Are you president? If I had thought or campaigned for anybody, you would have said, oh, you would have been the president of Nigeria, but because Wazurike campaigned against you, that was why presidency eluded you. I kept quiet, and you missed me. I have been hearing people saying, where is Wazurike? He doesn't talk again, blah, blah, blah. I kept quiet. After the presidential election, I kept quiet until the governorship and the houses of assembly election passed. Today, where are you? No Igbo man will be the president of Nigeria. You are deluding yourself. I've been educating you over time. You don't understand. Now you turn it to me, Wazurike is sick because he's no more talking. I'm now talking. Wazurike is not sick. You are not God. I have done everything for you. Many of you are in Europe and America, jobless, doing nothing. I found you a job. I opened that industry for you. Biafra. Today, most of you are finding food to eat through Biafra. You're on the internet, gossiping, saying all sorts of lies. Have you been talking about Biafra before? If not, I founded Biafra again in 1999. Where would we have been today? Would we have been talking about Biafra? I created jobs for all of you on social media. It become heroes, social commentators, cursing Reph or Wazurike. And you hate me so much because he has so little castigated me. He was the first person I picked from London. Said, my brother, handle Radio Biafra London. Instead of rewarding me abundantly, he used the radio to castigate me, tell all lies, all sorts of lies against me. But I have forgiven him. All of you have negative opinion about Wazurike. None of you have ever seen me one-on-one. None of you have ever interacted with me one-on-one. You form the notion that Wazurike is a thief, Wazurike is a liar, Wazurike is a saboteur, Wazurike is this and that. Ask yourself, have you had anything to do with Wazurike? If not, from the gossip, lies you had from Namikam. But I said, have forgiven me. I don't need any apology from him. All the time now, I always plead for his release. I still call for his release. I have nothing against him. Why should people say I'm sick? I'm dying. I'm on my deathbed. I need to confess. Confess about what? If there's anybody that should confess in this world, it should be you people. You should confess against the lies is stood against me. Not vice versa. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. I started the Biafra struggle as a professional, as a barrister solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. I was more than 10 years at the bar before I started the Biafra struggle. I was not a poor man. Like the so-called prophet was saying, the Uwazurike is a titled man. Yes, I'm a titled man. The highest title holder in Igbo land. Okamwandibu. Ijedendibu. Ezigbo the second. The highest title holder in Igbo land. He said he's a very rich man. He has the money to take care of it. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. By the grace of God, I'm very wealthy. I worked hard for it. Nobody has ever given me money. I've never borrowed money, even from the bank. Nobody, no politician can beat his chest to that and say, Wazuriki, I've given you this. I don't need them. I worked very hard. Even before I started this struggle, I was a billionaire. Check my records. All the houses we are using as headquarters, as offices in the Biafra struggle, are my personal houses before I started the struggle. Both Lagos, is it Okigwe, is it Owerri? Name it, everywhere. They were my personal houses before I started the struggle. Because nobody would like to rent his house or apartment for a struggle like Biafra. So all the houses are mine. They are not rented up to death. The one in Okigwe was burnt some 15 years ago. It's still there. Dilapidated. So what has Wazuriki done to you people? You want me to die? Are you God? I ask God to forgive you people. I don't wish you dead. I'm fine. I'm very, very healthy. Healthier than most of you. At my age, I can beat any of you. Come out, challenge me in any way. I beat you there. Nonsense. The man who says he's a prophet, my dear, I have nothing against you. May God forgive you. He said you are praying for me. How can you pray for someone who is not sick? Someone who doesn't need your prayers? I don't need your prayers. You pray for yourself. You pray for me by telling lies that I'm sick. I'm not sick because my friends are worried. Everybody continues calling me. Wazuriki, how are you? People say you are sick and all that. I'm not sick. I'm not. I'm very healthy. As you can see, today is the 24th of March, right?
Yes.
2023, Friday. I'm in my house, bubbling. Nobody is God. It's God that determines when one should die. If death comes tomorrow, I will smile at it and go. Some of my mates have died. They didn't commit any sin for dying. God called them. If God calls me tomorrow, I will follow. So nobody should talk about you yourself. Won't you die, Mr. Pastor or evangelist? You will say die. Please. I didn't want to talk like I said before. Because there's nothing I haven't told you people. You people have tried your elections. I said congratulations. You may have failed in the election, but you didn't fail in acquiring the knowledge. You acquired the knowledge of failure. The knowledge of the fact that no evil man will be the president of Nigeria today. You can be a senator, you can be vice president, you can be House of Representative member, anything, governor, but you can never be the president of Nigeria today. I have been telling you this over time. You wanted to try in 2023. You have tried. You have failed. You have gone to court. Oh, wonderful. It's achievable. You may win. You may not win. But it doesn't, it doesn't matter. What matters is the prayer. You have not tried. You may say I'm coughing. It's part of the sickness. I'm not I'm not sick, please. I just want to end this thing in a sober mood. I wish all of you well. You all are my children. As I am the Ijele Igbo, Ezigbo the second, all of you are my children. I have nothing against you. Even if you wish me dead, I wish you well. I say, may God forgive you. May God give you progress. May God give you enterprise. I have found a factory for all of you. Biafra factory. You people are using today to make money. But instead of thanking me, thanking the person who has helped you in life, you are castigating me. I ask God to forgive all of you of your sins. 2023 has gone. You are not the president today. Maybe by 2027, you may be the president of Nigeria. Till then, bye-bye.
So that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and bye bye.